Good morning, friends. Today I have an awesome 15 minutes yoga flow sequence to help release tightness in the chest, shoulder, and upper back region. Before we get started, if you end up by liking or benefiting from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us reach a wider audience. When you're ready, we'll begin by sitting in easy pose. Take a deep inhale in as you reach the palms up. Exhale, seated side stretch. Bring your left palms on the floor. Exhale, reach through the shoulders. Feel it in your hips. Feel it in the right side of the body. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, other side. Deep breath as you follow your inhale and exhale. Go ahead and come back to center and get onto a neutral tabletop position. We're gonna do rounds of cat-cows here. Inhale as you arch the back, look up. Exhale, cat pose, round the spine. Continue with the motion. Inhale and exhale. Follow your breathing as you inhale to cow pose. Follow your breathing as you exhale into cat pose. Wonderful. Now start by walking your hands about a foot in front of you for puppy pose. Allow your chest to drop on the floor. Open up the shoulder, upper back. Deep breath in and out. Slowly rise up and slide your right palms underneath the left armpit for thread the needle. Deep breath in and out as you feel the shoulders opening up. Good job. Come back to center and switch other side. Follow your breathing. Smooth breath, deep in and out. As you're ready, slowly rise up and send your hips up into downward facing dog. Push through your palms and shoulders and start by pedaling your legs and feet one at a time. Deep breath in and out. Follow your breathing as you feel the back of your legs and ankles stretching out. Slowly walk your hands into your feet or feet onto your hands. Grab the opposite elbow for ragdoll. You can bend your knees a little bit or a lot here if that helps you maintain a long spine. Relax the jaws, relax your face, and sway side to side if that feels good on your spine. Deep breath in and out. Slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, rise up to mountain pose as you engage the core and tuck your tailbone under. On your next inhale, raise the palms up. Exhale, Bring palms in behind you and interlace fingertips behind your back. Deep inhale, open the chest. Exhale, release the tightness. On your next inhale, raise the palms up. Exhale, swan dive forward, hinge from the hips. Inhale, half lift, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, plant palms on the floor and step back to plank, high or low plank. Engage the core, lower down to chaturanga. Inhale to cobra or to sphinx pose. Sphinx pose feels easier on your low back. Move your neck side to side. If that feels good, we're targeting our vagus nerve here, the nerve that's responsible for relaxation. Slowly bring your palms underneath the chest and send your hips back into downward facing dog. Deep breath in and out. Now bring the knees to the floor. Lower down chaturanga. We're gonna do dynamic cobra here. So inhale as you raise the chest forward. Exhale, bring the head down. Deep inhale, cobra. Deep exhale, lower down. Deep breath as you move through the motion. Slowly get back into tabletop position and into downward facing dog. Deep breath in and out. Now walk your feet towards your hands and slowly rise up back into mountain pose. Inhale, open up the chest, cactus arms. Exhale, round the spine. Again, continue with the motion as you open up the chest. Keep tucking your tailbone in and engage the core as you move through this motion. On your next inhale, raise the palms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step back to plank. And then lower down chaturanga. Inhale, rise up to cobra. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale as you raise your left foot up into three-legged dog. Press through your palms and shoulders. On your next breath, bring the foot forward into warrior two. Check your front foot alignment here. Make sure the ankles directly underneath the knee. Keep your hips level, cores engaged, tailbone tucked in. Now interlace your fingertips behind your back as you dive down into humble warrior. Deep breath in and out as you squeeze your core. Slowly rise up and back to warrior two. Inhale into reverse warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the palms down and step back to plank. Inhale, engage the core. Exhale, lower down chaturanga. Inhale, cobra, bring the chest forward. Exhale, send the hips up into downward facing dog. Deep breath in and out. Let's do the other side now. Raise the right leg into three-legged dog. Exhale, step it forward into Warrior Two. Again, check your front foot alignment. Engage the core, tuck the tailbone in. Deep breath in and out. Now interlace the fingertips behind your back, raise your chest up, and dive down into Humble Warrior. Keep squeezing that core. This will really help with your balance in Humble Warrior. On your next inhale, raise back up, come back to Warrior Two. Exhale into Reverse Warrior. Slowly cartwheel your palms down and come back to Plank Pose. Bring your chest and your forehead down. We're heading into Locust Pose here. Interlace fingertips behind your back. Lift the toenails off of the floor if that feels good on your low back. Otherwise, keep your feet on the floor. Exhale, release one cheek onto the mat. Rest here for a moment. Slow down the breathing. As you're ready, bring your forehead back on the floor. We're gonna head into bow pose here. So grab your feet behind you or your ankle. Take a deep exhale here. On your inhale, lift your head, your chest, and your knees off of the floor. Deep breath in and out. Feel the opening of the shoulders and the chest and the upper back. Go ahead and release everything to the floor. Rest one cheek onto the mat. Slow down the breathing. As you're ready, roll into your back. Hug your knees close to your chest into a tight yoga ball. Start by slowing down your breathing. Slowly drop your knees towards the left and tee your arms out. And if it feels good on your neck, go ahead and gaze towards the right palms. Slow down your breathing. Feel the opening more in your shoulders. Go ahead and switch side. Deep breath in and out. Soothing, smooth breath. Go ahead and bring your knees back to center. We're heading into our final resting pose, Savasana. So release everything onto the ground. Allow your feet to flop open, palms open, facing up. Slow down your breathing. Relax your face, relax your jaws. You're welcome to stay here for as long as you need to. Pause the video if you need. Deep breath in and out. As you're ready, go ahead and slowly bring yourself back into a comfortable sitting position. Deep inhale as you reach the palms up. Exhale, sweep it down. Again, inhale it up. Exhale. One last one. Inhale, bring the palms up. Extend through your fingertips. Exhale, bring palms in front of your heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me.